Okay, so come with me over here and we're going to actually have a look at the fuel before we start getting crazy. Maybe there's water in it, or it's old, or dirty, or something. Be right back, guys. It's got fuel. Actually, I think it's going to be acceptable. So, hemostat, stop! Straight one or a bent one? Right there. Okay. So now I'm not going to take the carburetor off unless I have to. I've got some really nice little tools that I've sent to me, and please forgive me, I do not remember the gentleman's name that sent those to me. So, 10mm ratchet wrench, right? It's gonna drip a little, of course. Okay. Whistle clean. You can't ask for more than that, eh? So now I'm going to just remove that, and I've got this super cool phantasmagorical little tiny screwdriver with a blunt end. That's for, you need that. You don't want a wide shank, a wider shank. Let's just see if we can get that jet out of there. There it is. Yep, we're gonna get her. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful thing? And it's partially clogged. So now we're going to do this right in front of you guys. If you can see, we'll use some sunlight. Can you see there that there's a hole through there? Barely, eh? There. So now I'm going to just squirt backwards through here first, because that's how the dirt got there, the other way. And then we squirt this way. Little air. Not a lot bigger. I think I'm gonna cheat a little bit. And the last time I did this, I used the blue one. This is okay. This is a micro drill bit. That is not the drill bit. It is there. See that? How small that is? We're just going to see if this is the one that. Okay, it's a little bit sticky, so let's go get the one that's one step smaller to make sure that passes through there real easy. Yes, it does. So I'm going to just drill this out so carefully, right? And that's her. Now we clean it out with the spray again. Little air. Repeat and and rinse. Rinse my feet. Zippo Vargas says, oh yeah, now you can see. No, I did, there might have been some goo in there too, right? Wait on my, it's all a matter of, there we go, right there. Let's get that back in there, if we can. I'm pretty confident that this is going to work because the carburetor didn't have any dirt in it. You don't want to cross thread them. Okay, it's getting tight. Do it 3 times. Good. Okay. Now the hole will back on. I'm going to just get a mirror roll. Just make sure that that rubber seal is still in there. Yes, it is. All the way around. Looks good. Move that. That's easily breakable. There, it's back in the tool drawer where it belongs. Okay, let's get this on here now. Put my micro drill bits back up on the bench. Good. Come on.